Alright, back again with another video. So now into this video I'm going to show you how you can create a zip and protect it with a password. So this is going to be a small video, so go on, open up your terminal. Now here inside your terminal you have to choose which files do you want to compress inside a zip. So now when we list our content here, you see we have LinPiece. So I want to save this LinPiece in a zip format, but before we save it in a zip format we have a command which is called zip. So when I go on and type zip, you see they give us a help menu. Let me go on and maximize my terminal. You see that here we do have different options that I could use onto this command of zip. So now to create up a password to our zip format, we are going to say zip with a -e for encryption, then we choose a file. Now this one is going to be LinPiece. So, and also here I choose a file which I'm going to protect, or I'm going to put inside my zip. So the file is going to be LinPiece. But before I list, let me first list everything here. I'm going to come and copy this spelling so that I do not mess up. So here we are going to say zip -e. Then here I'm going to paste the spelling, but for this case I'm going to name it linpiece.zip, and here I'm going to provide a file that I want to keep inside my zip folder. So here if I press enter, they ask me to type in my password. I'm going to put 123, press enter, and they tell us to verify the password, again 123, and I press enter. So now here you see that our folder has been created, and when we list data here you see that we have a zip file which is called LinPiece. Now let's assume that this one is not present. I'm going to just rename this LinPiece which is present, and I give it a different name. So this is linpiece.sh. I'm going to rename it to a new name which is going to be linpiece.sh1. So this is the original. So now if we list, I've changed this name so that we can have one. So when we go to the extraction of our data, so we are going to use a command which is called unzip, and here we provide a zip file which you want to extract. So if you press enter, they ask you for a password. This is where you type in the password of your zip, and if you press enter, you see that our file has been extracted. And if we list, we are going to have two files here. So you see we have the LinPiece we've extracted from our zip, and this was the first file that we use to create our zip. Thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.